Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to send Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet in 2025, step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open up the Venmo app and tap on the crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Bitcoin from your list of crypto assets. Now look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see two arrows next to buy option. Tap on that. This is your first time sending crypto from Venmo, then ask you some identity verification. Just hit continue and then fill your name, social security number, and address when prompted. Once you have verified your identity, you'll land on the next screen. Now go ahead and tap send. At the top of the screen, paste the Bitcoin wallet address where you want to send your BTC. Make sure the address is 100% correct. If you mess it up, your Bitcoin could be lost forever. After entering the wallet address, Venmo will ask you to scan your face and upload a photo ID to confirm it's really you. Once that's done, you'll see the option to choose one amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Quick tip, if you try to send too small of an amount, Venmo may block the transactions. Minimum limits apply when sending to an external wallet. However, if you're sending to another Venmo user, you can usually send any amount. Once you have entered the correct amount, just tap review transfer, double check everything, and then confirm to send your Bitcoin. And that's it. You have just sent Bitcoin from Venmo to your external wallet. All done from your phone. If this guide helped you out, do me a favor, drop a like and hit subscribe button and let me know the comments what crypto topic you want to may cover next. Thanks for watching.